My warmest greetings to the officers and personnel of the Philippine National Police as you celebrate Philippine National Police Day. This occasion is a reminder why the PNP was organized in 1991, to implement the constitutional mandate that law enforcement must be under civilian authority. Since then, the work of the police has become more demanding. The Filipino people expect effectiveness, require our police to arrive and provide help quickly, and demand respectful and competent law enforcers. Many have risen to the challenges of these demands. So on this PNP Day, we also recognize officers and units who have met these expectations, as well as the stakeholders who help the PNP in building and strengthening relations with the community. The awards conferred today honor personnel who delivered results on the ground through effective operations, improved service delivery, and leadership that raised standards within their units. These examples matter because they show that professionalism is built through daily decisions and authority is exercised with restraint and with fairness. We are committed to strengthening training that improves decision-making in very real situations, investing in systems that shorten response times, and enforcing accountability mechanisms that protect both the public and the honest police officer. As we build a bagong Pilipinas, peace and order remain fundamental for growth and public confidence. I ask every member of the PNP to focus on what matters most: visible presence, disciplined conduct, and service that communities can trust. These are the actions that steadily rebuild the confidence and give meaning to the badge that you wear. Congratulations to today's awardees, and my appreciation to all who have continued to serve with commitment and with love for the country. I wish you a happy and meaningful PNP Day.